Hello and welcome to Smart English Hub.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today. I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia. It's great to be back.
How are you, Mia?
I'm doing great, Alex. I went for a nice walk this morning. The weather was beautiful. How about you?
I'm good too. I tried a new recipe for breakfast. It was interesting.
Oh, really? Was it good interesting or bad interesting?
Let's just say I need more practice.
Well, practice is a great word for our topic today. We are going to talk about something very important for learning English.
That's right. It's something that can change everything. Today we're talking about your mindset.
Mindset. It sounds like a big word, but the idea is very simple and very powerful.
So, what is a mindset? A mindset is how you think about things. It's your idea about yourself and your learning.
Exactly. For example, one student thinks English is hard.
Mm-hmm.
Another student thinks English is fun. These two thoughts show two different mindsets.
That makes sense. Your thoughts can help you or they can stop you.
Let's talk about the first one. We can call it a fixed mindset. Fixed means it does not change. It is stuck.
A fixed mindset has negative thoughts, like, I am bad at English, or I will never learn.
Right. And when you think this way, you don't want to try. You feel sad and you stop learning.
I see. So you believe you cannot change, and that belief stops you from trying to change.
That's it exactly. It's like a wall you build in your own mind.
But there is another way to think. We can call this a growth mindset. Growth means getting bigger and better.
I love that. A growth mindset.
With a growth mindset, your thoughts are positive. You think, I am learning, or I can improve.
Yes, you believe you can get better with practice. You're not stuck. You are growing.
This mindset helps you to keep going even when things are difficult.
There is a small word that can help you change your mindset. It's a very powerful word.
Ooh, a magic word?
Almost. The word is yet. Y-E-T.
Yet. Okay, how does it work?
Well, if you think, I don't understand this grammar, it feels bad. It feels final.
Right, it feels like you will never understand it.
But if you add yet, I don't understand this grammar yet, it changes everything.
Ah, I see. It means you will understand it in the future. It gives you hope.
Exactly. I can't speak English well yet. I don't know many words yet. It opens the door to learning.
That is a great tip. Something else that stops learners is the fear of making mistakes.
Oh, absolutely. Many people are afraid to speak because they don't want to say something wrong.
Right, they feel embarrassed, but mistakes are a normal part of learning.
A necessary part. Mistakes show you are trying. They are not bad. They are good.
That's a big mindset shift. Mistakes are good?
Yes, because when you make a mistake, you can learn from it.
That's so true. Think about a baby learning to walk.
Okay.
Does the baby stand up and walk perfectly the first time?
No, of course not. The baby falls down many times.
Exactly. And does the baby stop and say, walking is not for me. I am bad at this.
No, the baby just gets up and tries again and again.
Each time the baby falls, it learns something new about balance. Mistakes help the baby learn. Learning English is the same.
That's a wonderful example. We need to be like a baby learning to walk. Don't be afraid to fall.
So having a growth mindset and not being afraid of mistakes are key. What else can help?
Focusing on small steps. Sometimes learning English feels like a huge mountain to climb. It's too big.
Yeah, that can feel overwhelming.
So don't look at the whole mountain. Just look at the next small step in front of you.
What is a small step?
It can be very simple. For example, today I will learn 2 new words. Or today I will listen to 1 song in English.
I see. Not, I will be fluent in 1 month, but I will practice for 10 minutes today.
Exactly. Small steps, every day. This makes progress feel possible and keeps you motivated.
That reminds me of a story. Imagine you want to build a big, beautiful house.
Okay, I'm imagining it.
If you just look at the empty land and think about the finished house, it's too much. It feels impossible. Where do you even start?
I would feel very stressed.
But a builder doesn't do that. The builder starts with one brick. They lay one brick perfectly, then another one,
Uh-huh.
and then another. Every day they just add more bricks. They focus on the small job of laying each brick well.
And after many days of laying one brick at a time,
You have a beautiful house. Learning English is like building that house. Each new word is a brick. Each lesson is a brick. Just focus on adding one brick today.
those are all fantastic points, Alex. So a growth mindset, embracing mistakes, and taking small steps are the foundation. But how can our listeners actively practice this every day? Do you have any other practical strategies?
Great question, Mia. One powerful strategy is to celebrate your effort, not just the results. Sometimes we only feel happy when we get a perfect score on a test, but the real victory is in the hard work you put in.
That's a perfect strategy, Alex. So let's do a quick recap.
Good idea, Mia.
First, your mindset is important. Try to have a growth mindset instead of a fixed mindset.
Right. Believe that you can improve step by step, even if it feels slow.
Second, use the power of yet. It adds hope to your sentences.
Third, don't be afraid of mistakes. They are your teachers.
And finally, focus on small steps, one brick at a time.
We hope these ideas help you on your English journey. Now let's make it practical.
And now we have a question for you, our amazing listeners.
What is your small step for today? What is the one small thing you will do to learn English?
Think about it. Maybe you will watch a video, write one sentence, or say hello to someone in English.
That's all the time we have for today. Thank you for listening to Smart English Hub.
Keep learning, keep growing, and we will talk to you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye for now.